started taking notes last winter term.
I started taking notes this semester.
I have only been taking notes for 2 months, but the note-taker program really allows me to keep up with the class material while making some extra money at the same time.
Taking and uploading notes helps me earn pocket money for my daily expense.
It's really like I'm saving up for after graduation to have something there.
Taking notes helped me become a better student because it helped me a better reader and a better listener.
When I take notes, I have to focus more on the lectures. You get to review it again before uploading and also use this as a study source for yourself.
Taking notes reminds me to review a class lecture immediately after taking the course.
I can also study faster by reviewing my notes and hence perform better on those courses.
I sharpened my critical thinking skills, my summary skills, which has helped me to study.
Helped me with my organization. It really forces me to go through the lectures notes after the lecture, so I don't have to see the notes for the first time when I want to study for the midterm.
I believe other students should take notes and upload notes because it will not only help other students but also them.
Definitely, we should create a friendly community that everyone shares their notes and help fellow students.